today, and I want to share with you 5 things that you can do while you're waiting to get your paparazzi box. So you just became a new consultant. Congratulations. Now what? What do I do while I'm waiting to get that box? Well, I have 5 things for you that will help you move your business along while you're waiting to receive your box. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, the very first thing I want you to know is that the moment that you sign up to become a paparazzi consultant, guess what? You get a website and it's free. So I want you to go straight ahead to your free website. I want you to update it, put a beautiful picture of yourself on there, as well as tell your My Story. Add a story to that. You want to make sure that you have a picture and you have a story. Go ahead and do that. You can do that right away. Number 2, once you've done that, step number 1, I want you to then think about your family and your friends who won't be able to attend your lunch party, who maybe don't live in the same state or the same town with you. I want you, once you put up your picture and once you've done your My Story, to invite them to your website. Guess what? They can already be shopping with you. So you can be getting sales while you're waiting for your very first box to come in. You can already have a bunch of sales. Doesn't that sound wonderful? So yes, think about who you can go ahead and invite and then share your site with them. Number 3, the third thing I want you to do while you're waiting to get your first paparazzi box is to decide on that official lunch date, that official lunch party that we just talked about. What is the date you want to have it on? When can other people come and show? Because you want to make a big deal about it. After all, you just decided to go into business. It's official, honey. And you want to make sure that you celebrate it like it's something special, because it really is. You are a businesswoman. So number 4, I want you, while you're waiting on your paparazzi box, to go on Facebook and create a Facebook VIP page. You don't have to wait until your box gets here. That can already be ready to go, so that the moment your arrivals have come in, you can get on it. So what is that Facebook VIP page? That's where you're going to invite people to come who want to buy your items and who may love your paparazzi jewelry and want to come back and buy from you over and over again. This is where you're going to display those items at. You're going to put pictures up and get them to buy right on Facebook. So you can go ahead on and create that group page. In fact, I think I'll share with you a video on how to set it up without taking a lot of time to do it. I'll show you that in another video. All right, so for now, the number 5, the final thing in this list of 5 that I want you to do while you're waiting on your paparazzi kit to come in is to order your business cards. Again, you're a businesswoman now. You need business cards. And so you can order them through paparazziaccessories.com. Right there on the website, you can order them there, or you can order them your own self. There are many platforms that you can order cards from. There is Vistaprint, there's your local places. There are tons of places. There's no problem with that. So just decide what you want your cards to look like, what reflects you, and go ahead and get those cards ordered. Don't wait until your box gets here. Let your cards already be in the works of coming to you at this time. So again, those are the 5 things that you can do while you're waiting on your first paparazzi box to come in. Go ahead on and get that free website set up. Then invite those friends and families who's nowhere near you that can shop already ahead of time. Decide on your official lunch day and your party and who you're going to invite. Go ahead on Facebook and create that VIP group page and order your business cards. So those are the 5 things that you can still be doing to move your business along while you're waiting to get your box. Now, I want to offer you a free gift as a result of taking the time and showing me that you're serious about your business by even clicking on this. I want to offer you something for free. In the link below, I will send you the secret to writing a compelling My Story. Because think about it, there are going to be other consultants out there at the same time that you are. How can you make yourself stand apart? Part of that is your story. Make sure you put together a compelling My Story, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So click below in that link, and I will give you access to my secrets to creating a compelling My Story. That's it for now. I hope to talk to you another time. Subscribe, and I will give you more videos coming soon. Have a good one.